Hello student, good day. I hope all of us are always in good conditions. And the next time I would like to say, of course, we are grateful to God, but because by His grace we can gather today to participate in learning instructions well. Today our lessons I take the title Lacking of Courage to Speak English in an Obstacle to Mastering English. I divide our topic today uh, to five subtopic: background, hot issue, consider about issue, theoretical foundations, and recommendation. Okay, now I have some questions to all of you as a student. Do we need to master the English language? How do you master conversation in English? Why do many people find it difficult to learn English? What are the obstacles in learning English? What are the benefits of learning and mastering English? This is the hot issue and problem we are going to get our solutions today. These are the questions that we should answer and consider what we do, especially to students like you. So as a student, you want to learn in the future, you want to prepare your future, your professions, your jobs. Just you want to questions and you to make how you prepare in your English day by day. So when the time and someday you can speak English fluent and also you can mastering English. English is a very important. Weak mastery of English among students. Student interest in English is still weak. So in this next term, we're going to repair our English. We're going to make our more brave, more dare to speak English. English language is to the window to science. So in any field and any business, always use the English language, and it is very necessary. You know, students, English is an international language. Everywhere they are, everywhere, whatever department, always speak and need English. So this opportunity, I want to raise the phenomenon. Why it seems difficult for many people to master the English language. I have hope that by expressing this phenomenon, there will be a change in the mindset of students to want and to serious learn English. Student, beloved in Jesus, what is the learning objective? Learning PowerPoint aims to describe the factor and the effect student difficulties and students' lack of courage in speaking and mastering English. Provide motivation to students to be interested in English. Explain the advantages of mastering English. Okay, now what's the impact of weak mastery of English? There are four. Number one, limited communication. Our communications limited if our English is very limited or weak mastery of English. Number two, inhabits career. Number three, it's a bit difficult to find work, you know. If you want to get jobs, we want to get a profession in the future. If you're mastering English, you get easy the jobs and the professions. Number four, the knowledge obtained is limited. Now we come to hot issue. What hot issue is the curriculum now about our English? Why do some students less brave speak English? Number one, fear of being wrong. Mistakes are our best teacher, you know. Without ever making a mistake, we will never know how to write. With an error, we can study it so we don't do the same things again. You know, very nice. Number two, let's say to face difficult. This attitude should be changed. To move forward, we must be willing to face challenges because our mental we must be improved so we can dare, so we can like to face difficulties and challenges. Lack of vocabulary. This is handled by reading a lot about vocabulary. You know, read from magazines, from book in English, from media. You hear from media, and also the others book in English. No learning partner. This is a classic problem that is often faced because the surrounding conditions are the same, namely there is no speaking zone area. We have to make our surround is speaking zone area. You can take your friend, take the partner, your family, your father, your mother, and your roommate in school. There, can you take to be your partner in practicing English every day? Student, now consider issue and problem. Obstructed progress in learning due to weak mastery of English. Obstructed in finding work. Low student interest in English. Shy culture. Model of curriculum. You know, then I want to say about how do you dare to speak English? This is the secret. If you like to mastering English, why do you dare to speak English? Practice speaking as much as possible. The main recipe for being able to write in English is to write in English as much as possible. You must be practice in English as much as possible in school, in the family. Don't be shy with your friend, with your family, and everything. Number two, accept the fact that we are bound to make mistakes with the error. We know it's a part of fix. Okay, number three, keep speaking while improving your broken English. To begin with, it doesn't matter. The important thing is to be confident first. You know, you have to confident first. You don't have to start speaking using complex sentences, right? You begin in the simple sentence, simple phrase to speak English. And then you don't need to use heavy vocab, right? You don't need the grammar, it's complicated, right? You still begin in the simple uh, sentences, simple vocab, simple grammar, and the important you and your friends to understand each other what they speak to you. Immerse yourself in English environment. Immersing yourself in English speaking environment can inspire us to learn English more deeply in any matter, including speaking in it. Speaking partner. You must look for speaking partner. Try to find a partner to be able to speak English freely. This partner should encourage to speak English, criticize your mistakes, and vice versa, and can be a friend to discuss various topics. Make it a habit to always try to speak English. You know, the first is very difficult, but if you want to improve your English, you must make it a habit to always try to speak every day every time. If you have time to speak, please speak as a student. So you will get a nice English in the future. Now, several ways to speak English. How many ways of learning English? Number one, speaking. What you say, have to try to say in English to right persons. Please, speaking. Number two, reading. Find your book related to the language. Reading is one of way to learn English. So you don't get bored, read interesting story books. Yeah, I repeat, you always read interesting story book, so you will not bore to learn English. Listening, we can hear and pay attention to the lyric of the songs we are playing. Our ears speeches, sermons, narrations when the opportunity arises for listening the music and the others. And writing. Don't get tired of learning the language by writing, whether it is an easy or obsession or a plan. Try to put the sentences in English. Look, often see picture whose identities are English, so that we get used to know and meaning and name in English. Please often to look the picture, to look the photo and the meaning of in English, and you memorize every time, every day. So you have trust. Next time you can mastering in English. Type of model of the appropriate curriculum. Type curriculum, I would like to use a student center. Why? Because student center is the good type curriculum to improve and to be students ability and everything to discuss and the talenta and also the student ability, our constructs and our give to student to choose everything to learn in the future. And model of curriculum, model TABA. Why? Because TABA is the curriculum model and to implement that about the grassroots and the student to be give freedom to study, to do the curriculum in the class and in the school. Now we come to theoretical foundation. According to Thornbury, 2006, page 1, state that speaking is such a natural and integral thing that we forget how to first acquire and be able to speak. Therefore, when we want to master the Asian language, we must have the courage to learn. According Jack J. Richard and Willie Renandia, 202, page 2. We have page 222. The aspects that are measured in English language acquisitions are pronunciations, grammar, vocabulary, fluency, and understanding of meaning. There is from two experts today from Thornbury and also Jack Richard. He get and he give us advice for us for to learn English, for to speak English, vocabulary, pronunciations, fluency, and understanding of meaning. This is very important to speak and to master our English in the future. Okay, now we come to recommendations. To be able to speak English fluently, you must have the courage to speak. As a student, especially in the world of education, a special curriculum must be made to overcome this. Use the type student center curriculum. and we use TABA model, concerter model. We appreciate and we glad we as a student because many lectures, many lessons to develop our knowledge, our psychomotor, especially now, special time, special topic from to improve my English because we have no dare to speak English. To facilitate mastery of English in school, several ways must be made, including if you want to improve your English, I give recommendation for you as a student, as a teacher, in the curriculum. You make English club. Set a day for the English languages day. This is for stakeholder in the school and in institution. I suggest make recommendation to make a program about it. English club set a day for the English language day. Make or become English speaking area. Make an extracurricular English class. Movement likes reading books in English. Creative and competent English teacher. This is we have to make in our school, our education, if we want our student improve in English or influence to mastering English conversation. Okay, now we come to conclusions. Yes, interest, spirit, dare to try, and good English. The main recipe for being able to write in English, to speak English, is to write in English. The recipe for being able to listen English is to listen in English as much as possible, likewise with speaking. Effective and passionate learning must be done consistently, and consistently do not force the learning portion too much so you don't experience boredom. But it must be start little by little, on an ongoing basis. Start the basic material point as above with a variety of learning mediums. Do it consistently and the portions are sufficient and constant so that result will definitely not disappoint. Okay, effective in passion learning must be done constantly and constant every day. Don't be bored to speak and to learn in English. Now, student, we have to come in our listening. Someone said, being old is sure, being agreed is a choice. I repeat, being old is sure, but being agreed is a choice. You have to make a good choice to make a fluent English in future with the study hard and also the read, speaking, reading in English book to practice your English. And someone said also, effort will not betray result. Very nice, very nice. Effort will not betray result. If you want to speak English well, please be learn, don't bore, and also day by day you try to speak English. We trust and we know our effort will not betray our result. Student, in the end of our speaking, we also thank you for your participations, for your hearing, and for your focus to hear our lesson today. That's our running nice times. Hopefully, all of you and students can get the enthusiasm to dare speak English so that our English language skills are getting better in the future and we get advantages for to face challenges ahead. Okay, student, thank you for your participation and we finish our learning today and thank you and God bless us.